Welcome to Data and AI with Varath. In today's episode, we explore the evolution of big data, how we moved from simple databases to massive distributed systems, and why modern data engineering became essential. Data has come a long way. In the early 2000s, most systems handled only gigabytes of structured data, but as digital experiences grew, traditional databases could no longer keep up. This is when the big data era began. Smartphones, cloud computing, social platforms, sensors, and streaming applications created an explosion of data. Suddenly, companies had to manage terabytes, petabytes, and even exabytes of information. Traditional relational databases were never designed for massive volume, high velocity, or unstructured data. They relied on vertical scaling, struggled with real-time workloads, and lacked flexibility for modern applications. To overcome these limitations, distributed systems emerged. Hadoop and MapReduce enabled parallel processing across clusters. NoSQL databases offered flexible schemas and high-speed writes for modern applications. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud revolutionized how data is stored and processed. Companies can now scale instantly, handle massive workloads, and store virtually unlimited data without managing physical infrastructure. The world moved toward real-time insights. Tools like Kafka, Spark streaming, Flink, and Kinesis allowed continuous processing. Decisions no longer rely on yesterday's data. Insights happen within milliseconds. Modern data engineering exists because raw data alone is not useful. Engineers design pipelines, enforce quality, manage infrastructure, and build scalable systems that transform raw data into business value. Every dashboard, machine learning model, and AI system depends on high-quality data. Poor data results in poor decisions. Modern data engineering ensures trust, quality, and reliability across the entire ecosystem. Data engineering is evolving rapidly. Automation, data observability, metadata intelligence, and AI-driven orchestration are powering the next generation of intelligent, self-healing pipelines. Today we learn how big data evolved, why traditional systems failed, how distributed architectures emerged, and why modern data engineering is critical for analytics and AI in every organization. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about data engineering, analytics, and AI, please subscribe. New videos are coming every week to help you grow your data and AI career.